Take on. Where you going? Where you going?
Home?
Tawai.
Yeah.
I want to check your body.
Sure.
Show me. Driving license? Driving license. Open.
Con này này bao đi và đi một cái gì hết đi qua hiệu.
While another police officer is trying to estimate how many wet wipes left in the pack, first guy checks glove compartment and...
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's it. As you've seen, all you need is big enough saucepan on your head and 2 wheels driver's license. Otherwise, be ready to get a ticket. Be safe, use common sense while driving, and check out my other videos from Thailand. Thanks for watching.